So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and a lot of you guys are facing issues, particularly on the Vertex AI lab. So basically the issue is that currently they are experiencing some downtimes due to which you are unable to complete any lab. You are facing multiple issues like you are unable to start the lab, or you are unable to locate the files, or you are unable to locate the basically execute when you execute the task you get some error. So why it is happening? As I said earlier, they are experiencing some difficulties in Vertex AI. So that is how they have disabled the Vertex AI labs. Now the main thing is that you need to wait for it to get fixed. Now what you can do if you have participated in any program and the deadlines are approaching, you can request the program managers to either switch the skill badges or courses, or just ask the Google team to get it fixed as soon as possible so you can complete this. So how you have to report? You have to just come here, click on the question mark and email support and just mail them. Also, one more important thing is that if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Now that is very important that first of all you need to wait for this Vertex AI labs to get fixed. After then only try to complete it, because if you try to complete it early, you won't be able to get the badge. Also, your credits will be wasted. So be aware of it. Thank you. Have a great day.